Flat rate and per problems. These problems talk about anything that charges a flat rate fee plus then an amount per something. For example, a wallpaper hanger charges a flat fee of 25 bucks. That means you pay the 25 bucks no matter what. And then you also pay $12 for each roll of wallpaper used in the room. If the total charge for hanging the wallpaper is $97, how many rolls of wallpaper were used? Okay, let's get our heads around this first of all. Let's do a couple of examples that don't have to do with our problem. Okay, so let's say, how would you figure out, let's say you use 2 rolls. How much would it cost you? Well, you'd have to take $12 times 2, and that gets you the amount that you paid for wallpaper, 24 bucks, and then add on your flat fee of $25. So you'd end up with $49. Let's say that you used 5 rolls of wallpaper. Well, you do 12 times 5 to get the amount for the wallpaper, plus the $25 flat fee. Or let's say that you spent $100. Let's say that you used 100 rolls. You'd take 12 times 100 and add 25 to find out how much it cost you. Notice that everything is staying the same here, except for this, the number of rolls of wallpaper. So let's call that n. So our equation is going to look like this. To find the cost, you take 12 times the number of rolls of wallpaper that you used and add on 25, and that will give you your total price. Well, our price that we're curious about is $97. So put the 97 in, and now just solve for n. So n is 6. 6 rolls of wallpaper will give us a cost of $97. The ticketing agency charges a fee of $3.50 plus $17.50 for each ticket purchased. So your total is going to depend on how many tickets you buy. First, before we do this problem, let's look at a couple of examples of how the ticket price is figured. You take $17.50. Let's say you wanted to get 2 tickets. You'd multiply $17.50 by 2 and then add on $3.50 to get $38.50. Likewise, if you were going to get 4 tickets or 8 tickets, you'd just multiply the $17.50 by 4 or 8 and then add on your flat fee to get your total. So how are we going to make this into an equation? Well, again, notice that this is our variable. This is what's varying, the number of tickets. So let's let the number of tickets be n, and we'll make an equation out of this. $17.50 times n plus $3.50 equals the cost of the tickets. I know that my tickets cost $161. So there's the equation that I have to solve. I used a calculator to help me with some of the subtracting and dividing. Oops, forgot the n. So then to solve for n, I divide both sides by 1750, or 17.5. So in a calculator, 157.5 divided by 1750 equals 9. If you spend $161, you bought 9 tickets.